Hello everyone, hello again, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is my tutorial for a headband that I would like to show you how I make. So the first loop we need with a front stitch on purpose to make the edge rounded so that the edge looks nice. Then 2 front stitches, yarn over the needle, and then 2. From 2 we make 1 purl stitch, 2 front stitches, yarn over the needle. We need these 2 loops with a purl stitch, 2 front stitches, yarn over the needle, 2. From 2 we make 1 purl stitch, 2 front stitches, yarn over the needle, and we need this 2 as a purl stitch. Then the rest of it we knit with front stitch. This was the first row of the pattern. Now we need to do the second row of the pattern. So we knit the first stitch with a front stitch, the first loop with a front stitch. By the way, I have 20 loops on my needles and number 5 needles number 5. So we need the first one with a front stitch, 2 front stitches, yarn over the needle, and from 2 we make 1 purl stitch, 2 front stitches, yarn over the needle, from 2 we make purl stitch, 1, 2 front stitches, yarn over, from 2 we make a purl stitch, 2 front stitches, yarn over the needle, and we knit with a purl stitch the 2 together, and then the rest of it is front stitch. And that's all you need to know to be able to make this headband. As you can see, it's very airy, it's pretty, is knitted with acrylic yarn. It's a very beautiful pink yarn. So I hope you're going to like it, and see you when we finish this garment. This is how I close my headband. So it's a very simple method. So what we do, we take 2 and we grab the yarn and we make a loop, taking the second one, we yarn, and again. Make sure it's slightly loose, so it's not too tightly. So, and then you straighten it slightly, these loops. So we put the loop back on again, we take 2, we grab the yarn from behind the 2 loops, and then we put it on again, and then with the same needle we grab two. So we grab the second one, and then we pull the yarn through these two loops, and we do over and over again, and make sure it's not too tight. So grab the yarn, two together, we grab the yarn through, and we create a loop, and then we do it again. Grab the yarn through the two loops, we put the loop back on again on the needle, we take the second loop, and we grab the yarn through the two loops, and that's how we do until the end of this row. See, it looks quite nice. Make sure it's not too tight. This is how I hide the yarn, how I hide the knots. So I take this needle, big needle, and hide it through this last stitch at the back of a headband, and I make a knot here tightly to secure it, and then I hide it all the way down along the stitch. This is it. It's easy. This is how it looks, stitching. The headband. Hello everyone again. Here we go. This is the end result. This is the project we've been doing, and I've shown you how all in all is simple, easy and terrific. Just beautiful with all this open work, and it's especially made for summertime, headband for summer, which is breathable because of this open work here. It's simple to make, it's fantastic. I just love it. I love the color, I love the feel of it. It's a pink color, a pale pink color as it seems, and I've knitted in acrylic with acrylic yarn, so it's slightly possibly warmer for evenings in the summer, and when it's windy outside, this would hold your hair nicely and keep your ears protected. And this pattern, this design is simple to do, simple to use to master it. This is the back. That's how it turned out to be. I've done my best of job to follow each row correctly, and this is where I've hidden the yarns, odds and ends. Inside out looks pretty much the same pattern as the front of a hat, as the main side of a hat. So it's a pattern that it's the same looking inside out as it is on the front. So I think this is a very good pattern to do airy things, you know, things that are breathable, are light to wear. Maybe a top would look nice with this pattern as well for the summer if you were to make one. And it's just fantastic. I love it. It's simple to make, it's light to carry, it doesn't take a lot of yarn. It's I don't know, maybe 30 grams or maybe less than that, I think. But I've got plenty of yarn left for even making possibly another 2 hats from it, so it didn't take much yarn. And the pattern looks beautiful and stunning. I just love it. I cannot wait to wear this headband, and hopefully you can do one yourself as well and share it with me. I would be glad if you share your projects that you used from my videos, and we can talk about it and see how well it turns out. So I am Anna Vanila, and on the channel Anna Vanila Arts I've shown you this new headband, how I've made it, and I hope you're going to like it enough to put a like and to leave comments as well if you love it, and tell me if you are ready to make one yourself, and we can see how it turns out. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I'm Anna Vanila, and see you in my new projects soon in another videos. Please visit my channel. I've got plenty of patterns, and you'll see is nothing there that you could lose your time on. It's all new and special. So thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.